Hey guys, welcome back. So today I went to the store and I found some acrylic paint. So I thought I could use this for something. And we're gonna make some acrylic bubble footage today. So if you like the sound of that, then follow along because this is gonna be a fun one. Alright guys, so we have the setup here. I have my camera and the softbox and the mixture down here. And then I have my monitor over here. So this is kind of what the setup looks like. Sorry for the sound right now. But yeah, let's try some more stuff. Got the oil right here with some acrylic in it, and you got acrylic and milk, and then you just pour over. Wow, that looks super nice. And then we got our dish soap here. So let me just press record. Yes, we are recording. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is what we have. It looks kind of like a planet. Things are happening really quickly. So let's just crack on, and I'm gonna make some more different kind of mixtures. Alright, so that was how to make some acrylic bubbles. And if you don't want to make a mess at home, then I've linked all my footage in the description, so feel free to download it. I guess that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.